How to transfer USDT from Binance to your Tonkeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, start by opening up your Tonkeeper, and then you need to simply search for USDT, which is going to be on the bottom of your screen. So simply click there and click on receive button. Once you click on it, simply copy the address and then open up your Binance, and then you just need to go to the wallet on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the withdraw button. Search for USDT. Once you search for this, simply go for it and click on send via crypto network. Then you're just gonna need to paste your particular address. Once you do so, select the network as Toncoin, and then you need to make sure to enter the amount that you want to go with, and then you just need to click on the withdraw button. But before going for the maximum withdraw, you need to make sure to at least give it a test try, like going for $5 or $10. Then click on the withdraw button. Then you will gonna receive your USDT in your Tonkeeper account within the given time of your Toncoin network. It is not showing any kind of arrival time, but maybe it will arrive soon or later, but you need to make sure to check it out. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Tonkeeper.